Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
What's up, cousin? What's up?
Alright cousins, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this very minimal makeup look. It's like a no makeup look besides the lashes, and I believe you can achieve it in like 5 to 10 minutes. Today's video is going to be featuring products from Merit Beauty, which is a new clean beauty brand that is available at Sephora online and in select stores in the US and Canada. Merit Beauty is owned and created by Miss Catherine Power, who is also the creator of the clothing line Who What Wear, which is available in Target, and she's also the creator of Verse Skincare. This beauty line is clean, it is vegan, it is cruelty free, it is paraben free. So if you're interested in the look I create and my thoughts on these products, just keep on watching. Alright, so as I stated in the intro, Merit Beauty sent me over some things to check out from their new beauty brand, and this is the packaging. You can see this is the box that they send it in. When you open up the box, this is what it looks like on the inside. Their motto is less is more. They send me a little card. All the products that they send over come in this nice little corduroy bag, which I think is really cute, and I'm gonna use this for when I travel and I take my little makeup that I do take. I feel like you could also rock it with a fit. We'll see. On the card, this is what it looks like. It states, beauty and self-care have reached a fever pitch, a saturated market with products coming out every few days, palettes with 50 colors when we only use 2. That's true. And more additions to the list of what it takes to look good. This year we've reset. We've learned we don't need much. We're accustomed to bare nails, natural hair, and days without makeup. We're indulgent in comfort and minimalism and brands that bring us more with less. Merit was created to reimagine luxury beauty by making it well edited, holistic, and accessible. We're focused on responsible luxury, creating products that are safe for body, skin, and planet, essentials that have earned a place on your vanity. We believe that less is more. Okay, so that's what the card says. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. I did already film this, I want to be honest with y'all, but this camera was being
I don't know.
It didn't want to do right, so the footage just was not it for me. So I'm filming it again. I'm gonna do everything that I did the first time. However, I do have on lashes. When I filmed it the first time, I didn't put lashes on, and I've already prepped and primed my face. These products are like very dewy, so I went ahead and used my matte putty primer from e.l.f. instead of my regular one, just to be on the safe side, because I was pretty glowy when I used it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the makeup. I'll show you the products that I picked out as we go. So I'm gonna start with the brows first. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe micro brow pencil in chocolate mousse. If my brows were done, I would skip this step, but they're not. So I'm gonna go ahead and shape them. I'm just gonna do the tail end instead of like starting up here. The first product I'm gonna be taking is their Brow 1980. It's their Volumizing Brow Pomade, and I have it in the shade Black Brown. Their packaging is so cute, and it definitely does scream luxury. You would have thought the one would have been on the shorter side, but it's on the longer side. But I still like the product, and I'm going to brush upward just to kind of feel. And y'all, I really like this. I just wish it would have come with a lot more product than it appears to be. But then again, I feel like you don't really need much of it. It's giving me soap brow kinda. I like it. The next product I'm going to be trying out is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I got this in 2 shades, one being Tiger Eye and the other being Chestnut, because I was not sure of which one would match me. Since I already filmed this video, Tiger Eye was the better match for me, but I'm going to swatch them both on my hand so that you guys can see what they look like. This is Chestnut, this is Tiger Eye. And Tiger Eye is a tad bit darker once it oxidizes, but like I said, it was just a better shade for me. And this Perfecting Complexion stick is neither a foundation nor a concealer. It's pretty much both. I'm going to be using it as both today. I'll use Tiger Eye under my eye as like my highlighting shade. And it's not too bright, so it's not going to be, you know, that noticeable, because as I stated, we are not going for, you know, full-on beat today. I didn't get to try out their #1 brush that they have online. I really wanted to, but it was sold out. The first time I tried using my Instapop face brush from Real Techniques, but I did not like the way it blended out, so I'm gonna just stick with the Beauty Blender because that did much better for me. I feel like you could probably blend it out with your hands too, but I'm just not that girl. Definitely not full coverage, but I want to say it's buildable. Like, I feel like you can at least get medium with it. And y'all, I like seriously love the packaging with this brand. It's so pretty. And I feel like it's all like great for when you're traveling. Like the sizing of everything. I look a little gray, but it's okay. It's okay. This is what we're looking like. Chestnut is a bit lighter. I'm gonna clean up my brow with it. It's not too light, but it's light.
As I stated earlier, it can be used as a concealer or foundation. For me, what I found that it works better as a concealer for me. Someone with clearer and less textured skin than mine could use this as a foundation.
Tiger Eye to highlight. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Coty Airspun loose face powder just to set those areas. I am gonna bronze with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami. Dust off that excess powder. Next thing I'm gonna be trying out is their Flush Balm. It's basically a blush. It's in the shade Mousse. Y'all excuse my nails. I need press-ons like yesterday. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is tap it. This is pigmented. And this was actually one of my favorite things from everything I picked out. I'm gonna take my brush and blend it out. It's giving me like a very light, airy, and fresh and flirty look. Next thing I'm gonna try is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. And this is in the shade Balm. And this is like a rose gold color. So I'm just going to apply it. This was my second favorite thing, because it's a highlighter, but it doesn't do what a regular highlighter does, and it glides on. Instead of it being like super shimmery, it gives me like I'm glowing from within. And tap it in with my finger. I kind of further blend it in with the Beauty Blender like I do. The last thing I'm gonna try is the Shade Slick. It is a tinted lip oil. I got it in 2 shades, in All Naturel and Marrakech, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so yeah, but I got it in these 2 shades. This is All Naturel. This is what All Naturel looks like. This is Marrakech, pinker than All Naturel. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with MAC Chestnut. put the shade All Naturel on first. Definitely like how this feels. And then Marrakech in the middle. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on. This is the full frontal mascara from Fenty Beauty. Like I said, I feel like you can achieve this look in like 5 to 10 minutes. I just took my time because I was filming and kind of explaining the products as I went along. This is the look. I really like it. I just gotta figure out what's my best shade in that Perfecting Complexion stick, because this is a little off, but it still works. My favorite products out of everything that I picked out was definitely the Flush Balm and the Highlighting Balm. I just really like the payoff of the Flush Balm and then how glowy that is, and then this highlight is everything. Get into it. If you guys want to check out any of the products, I will link them down below. I do have an affiliate link that I would receive a small commission from if you decide to use it. That is it for today's video. I truly hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which products were your favorite that I used on my face today. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
And goodbye. Period. I mean it.
Say what? Here we go.